Is this your resting face, or do you tend to frown or create these forehead lines? It looks cute, but you know what? Over a period of time, it not just gives you forehead aging but also gives you droopy eyebrows. Here are 3 face yoga exercises and 3 face tools which will actually help you erase 11 lines, brow lines, droopy eyebrows, and in fact it will also lift your upper eyelid. It's literally your entire upper face workout. Hello everyone, this is Vibhuti Arora, founder of House of Beauty, and learn face yoga with our protocol, because our protocol is guaranteed to take 5 years off your resting face. You keep asking me a lot on what face oil should we use for face yoga. So I have actually made a face yoga massage oil that works for all skin types, all age groups, all issue types. It's a seabuckthorn, calendula and vitamin E oil. I want you to take some of this oil into your index finger and now go upwards in a crisscross motion like this with me 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Once you've done this 20 times, take your finger pads, swipe across, give a little massage along your temple and initiate a drain. All that muscle tension and stress that you've created will immediately de-stress. After this, we'll do a little bit of my Frau Circa exercise to actually lift your upper forehead. Take your finger pads, place them right above your eyebrows, spot circles going and collecting all of that collagen tear across, spreading it into your hairline or your temples, gently going upward with that movement as well. When you're doing this, all of this is one count itself, and you will do this 3 times. So let's repeat it. Firm circles all the way till your temple, firm circles mid forehead, going all the way into your hairline and then clustering into your upper hairline. Guess what? If you pat here and actually press 1 mm away from your hairline, this is a hair loss or hair fall reduction acupressure point, and you will actually get luscious hair as well. Before I teach you the third exercise for forehead lines, droopy eyebrows and overall forehead lifting, I will quickly tell you about the tools that you could do for an immediate lift as well. This is a microcurrenting massager. Everybody globally has now said no to Botox and fillers because tools like this are natural, non-invasive and super affordable, because you can use it for your entire lifetime to actually lift. You will press the plus button here and move on to level 1, 2, 3 or 4 as you desire. A pro tip here, while I am actually using my Facelift Pro, I love to wear my eye patches or a sheet mask and then go upwards all the way, lifting my eyebrow muscles, my forehead muscles or the frown lines. A face workout once a week or twice a week with this tool is equivalent to 5 face yoga workouts. Now, if you have droopy eyelids, you will actually go under the eyebrow all the way up. If you have facial asymmetry, this is the tool you go to. If you have facial paralysis, this is the tool you go to. If you have sagging skin, again, this tool actually does everything. I will attach another tutorial on how to use this for your overall face toning shortly. Now, some of you may not like the microcurrenting face massager because it might be overstimulating for you. For someone like me, it is a go-to. That's where the 24K massager comes in, which is a vibrational massager. Now don't get confused. Vibrational technology versus microcurrenting technology are very different. With the 24K face massager, you can actually lift droopy eyebrows and use this every day, whether you're sitting in your car, whether you're working, in between an email, or even when your kids or husband are giving you a headache. This is my go-to. Try it out for yourself. We typically iron out. Oh, by the way, did I mention, just like Alia's resting face, this was the tool she actually showed you in her skin tutorial as well. Now you lift all the way across, swipe, creating T's and V's across your forehead for overall fine line reduction, forehead tightening, or overall skin lifting and tightening as well. Last but not the least, the most affordable option of face tool, which is a double chin massager, but it comes with an eye and forehead attachment. This actually has 10,000 acoustic vibrations. You can very easily change the head like this and actually convert it into a face lifting tool. You will turn it on and start lifting your forehead, your droopy eyebrows all the way. One of my pro tips when I am doing this is I like to hold it here and then wink, add my face yoga exercises like this, creating a very powerful stimulation, then going under the eye, lifting. This will also take care of any puffiness and then initiating a final drain. If you are looking at a scalp massage, you could just add some hair oil and massage your entire scalp as well. You know why? A, it's affordable, easy, and this part can easily be rinsed as well, or can be wiped with a damp towel and you're good to go. Now, as promised, my last two face yoga exercises for forehead fine line reduction. The first exercise is actually to unlearn the wrong motion of frowning or creating lines when we talk. You will take your palms, place them flat on your forehead, ensure that your eyebrows are visible, and go up and down, up and down, up and down 20 times to actually unlearn the motion of frowning or creating those lines. Last but not the least is eyebrow kneading. You will take your index finger and your thumb and you will pinch, kneading your eyebrow all the way across like this 20 times. And then give yourself some firm vibrations with your hands like this. Wriggle it out and it gives you the most relaxing, calming sensation ever. I hope you like these tips. As always, comment link and my team shall send you all of the links, whether it's of the tools, the face yoga videos, tutorials, and so much more. We also have pre-recorded videos now available where it's literally like I am teaching you live one-on-one at affordable prices. Happy pampering, stay young forever.